Welcome to Clade, the covert league of animal detective experts.
Sam Snow.
Kid Casey.
Cases.
The mystery of the missing milk.
Our Huey's getting pretty big.
He sure is. Soon he'll be ready for big boy food along with his milk. Come on over, pups. It's milk time.
Milk time!
Milk! Huh? My milk bottle. It's empty.
My milk, too. It's gone. I need milk.
There must be a milk thief on the loose.
Here you go, Dottie. Drink up.
And here's some nice, yummy plant food for you.
Easy, Kit. We don't want to give Dottie too much food or water.
Come on, Sam. Dottie is a growing plant. She needs plenty of... the clay crest!
Director Scratch must have another creature case for us. Come on.
Be back soon, Dottie.
Oh, excuse me, agents. Just having my afternoon glass of corn milk. There's a milk thief on the loose at the... What?
You've got a little something on your beak, Director.
As I was saying, someone is stealing milk from a group of elephant seals. This thirsty thief has been sucking their milk bottles dry.
That's not good. Baby elephant seals need lots of nutritious milk to grow up big and strong.
That's why you two need to solve this milky mystery.
Don't worry, Director. You can count on us.
Now arriving at destination biome. North American coast.
These seal pups sure look hungry.
Don't worry, everyone. We're from Clade, and we're here to catch the milk thief.
Big talk for a couple of newcomers.
No good newcomers.
This is our beach.
Kit, they don't seem very happy to see us.
Elephant seals can be very territorial, especially the males. They don't like new people on their beach.
That's right. How do we know you two didn't steal our milk?
Easy there, big guy. We just got here.
Well, now you better do what you came here to do and then scram.
Yeah! You heard my dad! Get out of here!
Friendly bunch.
That's just how elephant seals are. Now, come on. Let's look for clues. Huh?
Hey, watch it!
Excuse me. Sam!
Kids, look. The beach is covered in seal flipper prints, but these paw prints are different.
These look like cat prints.
A cat, huh?
Wild cats sometimes steal milk from elephant seals.
Looks like we've got our first suspect. Come on. Huh. The paw prints stop here.
Sam! Look! A cat! And she's surrounded by empty milk bottles.
We can sneak up on her if we stay nice and quiet.
Ah.
So much for nice and quiet.
Stop right there! Milk thief!
Milk thief? I wish. I keep trying to steal milk from those elephant seals, but every bottle I swipe is already empty.
Already empty?
Yep. It's gotten so bad I'm packing up and moving. I gotta find a new seal colony to get milk from.
But if you didn't steal the milk, any idea who did?
Beats me. But if I were you two, I'd ask the skua. That bird loves stealing milk. Smell you later.
The skua.
Skuas are seabirds that live near the coast. They're known to steal milk from elephant seals, too.
Sounds like we have our next suspect. Come on.
We gotta find that skua soon, Sam. These seal pups are getting hungrier and hungrier. Well, except for that pup.
Doesn't he look a little bit bigger than he did before?
The skua!
Hey! Stop that skua!
Here, Sam. Hoverboards!
Where'd he go? Thank you!
Hey, what are you doing?
Not again.
Sorry!
Gotcha! We did it! We got the milk!
Huh?
Wait, this bottle's empty too.
Again? Oh, I go through all the trouble of stealing a milk bottle from those seals, but then there's no milk inside.
But if you're not stealing the milk, then who is?
No idea. All I know is that I've got to go find some new seals to steal from.
Well, there goes our last lead.
Huh? Maybe not. Look, Kit.
Smells rich and creamy, with hints of squid and shellfish. Sam, this is elephant seal milk.
Maybe the milk thief left it behind. This way. Listen. Sounds like the milk thief's nearby, having a little milk snack. Huh? The milk thief is that little seal pup.
He's not so little anymore. He must be a super wiener. That's why he's grown so big.
Sorry, what?
When a mother seal stops feeding her baby milk, that's called weaning. And sometimes when a pup is weaning, it starts stealing milk from other seals. That's a super wiener. And because super wieners drink so much milk, they can grow really big.
Well, this super wiener is about to get super busted. All right, that's enough. Drop that milk.
It's not what it looks like.
Oh, yeah. It sure looks like you've been...
Hey!
Dad!
Why are you two messing with my Huey?
Because Huey is the milk thief.
My little Huey? Impossible.
See for yourself.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Huey! He hasn't learned to swim yet, and there are sharks in that water.
Quick! We've got to save him! Daddy!
I'm coming, son!
Quick, Clade claws. We've got you, Huey.
There are sharks!
Keep pulling.
He's too heavy.
Try harder!
Hang on, Huey! Papa's gotcha! Huey!
Dad!
Excuse me.
Oh, that was a close one.
Good
And so you see, Huey here was the milk thief all along. He's a super wiener.
What?
That means he's. Never mind.
Sorry again for taking everyone's milk. Well, I only did it because I wanted to be big and strong like you, Dad.
Aw, you will be. You just gotta quit stealing milk and start eating big boy food, okay?
Okay, Dad, I will.
Thanks for the help. You two are welcome here anytime.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Well, looks like that's another creature case closed.
Come on, we gotta get back home. It's time to feed Dottie.
Do you think Dottie missed us while we were gone?
She must be so hungry.
Kids, I think we may have fed Dottie too much.
Oh, yep.
Fact file.
Yeah! Vice Squad Fact File. Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill. Update. Elephant seals. Fact file. Elephant seals raise their young on the beach and can be very territorial.
They don't like other folks coming into their space.
Fact file. As they grow up, young seals stop drinking their mother's milk.
It's called weaning.
Fact file. But some keep stealing milk from other mothers and get really big.
They're called super wieners.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file.